Basic but brilliant. If you suffer acute or chronic low back pain, you're going to love these. Also, by grounding our body, we're better able to focus our attention, thereby improving stress and anxiety. Here's a demo with a further breakdown. Please enjoy. Begin on all fours, hands beneath shoulders, knees beneath hips. Breathe in, lifting the head, arching the spine and tipping the hips forward. Raise the shoulders and rotate the arms inward. Breathe out, curving the spine and tucking the chin and tailbone. Drop the shoulders and rotate the arms outward to engage the lats. Breathe out, curving the spine, lowering the hips and pressing the knee to engage the hamstrings. Breathe in and lean forward, pressing the palms, keeping elbows in to engage the triceps and the lats. Endeavour to maintain a tucked tailbone with your core engaged. So the magic of this exercise comes from pressing through the knee with a curved spine. Doing so inspires activation of the deep hip extensors. This muscle group helps to stabilize the core and decompress the low back. If you're unable to get down and crawl around on the floor, then have a crack at my knee squats. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.